you want to create a new model, okay, we are going to do with the help of file new model.
Press OK. Yes.
But you have only two options. Okay. One is conceptual model. Sorry, one is a logical model and other is physical model. There is no any option to create conceptual data model. Okay. But let us see it. Is this trial version, sir, or is this cracked version, sir? Peter.
This one is a cracked version. It's just
Yes. Okay, it's cracked version. I got it because it is showing new version is available, so it's a cracked version. Okay.
Yes.
So you can have only two options. One is physical data model, logical data model. You don't have an option to create conceptual data model. You don't have option to create conceptual data model. Okay, but sometimes you might need to create conceptual data model for proceeding, which we need to achieve with the help of available logical model only. Okay.
Yes.
Let us see how to do. Before getting into it, it is asking you one pop-up, what type of relationship, what type of model you are going to present. Are you going to develop a data model for RDBMS, or are you going to develop data model for data warehouse?
Okay.
So data model for data warehouse is called as a dimension model.
Yes.
I repeat, data warehouse model or data model for data warehouse is called as dimension model. Okay.
Yes.
Or you can go for data model, that is relational data model. Okay. If you are doing from existing data model, already you have a data model, then you just need to open it, but you don't have the data model, you have a database. Then you have to select this option called as reverse engineering from the existing database. So you need to point to the database, whichever you are pointing to, whichever database you already have, and then you have to select the model and you get the model. You need to change on top of it. You need to change on top of it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are doing a fresh scratch model. I'm not going to change any option. By default, yes, I want to do import model from some other existing models. Okay, so don't do this. Already if you have a file, you can do the changes to the existing model. That also we are not bothering. Let us do the scratch model. Click on OK. So now on the left side you have one explorer. This is called as data model explorer. You can adjust these ribbons. These are all the different ribbons you have. You can adjust these ribbons so that you'll get more model area, design area.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, it is by default model 1 logical data model. But what we are going to design? Now we are going to design conceptual data model. Okay.
Conceptual.
Conceptual data model. So let me say this.
I think there is some internet issue because I shared my screen. I think you are not able to see, right? So can we do it on Peter's machine? I can just.
Oh, Aniket, lot of lag. The one which we had discussion, now it is coming. Able to hope you are able to follow, Aniket. Let me know. So, I'm going to share it. I mean, I'm going to save it in one of the folders. Is it okay, Peter, in this machine?
Yes.
The data model here in the D drive. Let me create a folder,
Yeah.
data model classes. I call this as conceptual data model. Let us give PPV is the name. Means purple view conceptual data model. That's what we are developing, right?
Yes. From the case study.
Case study. Good. From the case study, we are doing purple view data model.
Yes. It's on the one with the line. Yeah.
Yeah. So now, if you go through the case study, in the last session, what we did is we identified the list of possible entities, list
Yes.
of high-level entities, to be frank. So just for a revision, let me get to, as it is working with the officers. Okay, it has several officers. We are
Yes.
getting officers entity, and
Yes.
whenever we say office, there could be chance of employee at least one employee at least. So employees entity, and employees, whenever we say there are of different levels, and here based on our document, based on our case study, there are two types of employees. One is manager, and one is associates, and
Yes.
other is administrative assistants. Okay, admin
Yes.
assistants. Okay, but these admin assistants and associates are both are contract employees. Okay,
Yes.
that's why I categorize them as associates, all contract employees, all full-time employees. Okay,
Yeah. Yes.
then what these employees do, because this is a property management company. Office is there, office having employees, employees having several managers. But
Yeah.
what this office today or tomorrow, if it is, it might have already today or tomorrow, it will get properties to get maintained. Correct?
Yes.
So there are different types of properties. Okay, which are owned by the owner, and to be maintained by PPV. So
Yes.
who is owning this property? Owner is owning, and PPV means Purple View Property Company is going to manage. Correct?
Yes.
So when there is a property that has a owner and is given to Purple View, and Purple View, it is taken over, or it is getting maintained by Purple View. Today or tomorrow, it will get the renters. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So when renters come up or renters does not come up, this has to be maintained neatly. Correct? This has to
Yes.
be maintained neatly means this property has to be kept on reviewed. How is the status of it? That is
Yes.
called as inspection. Okay.
Yes.
And when renters are there, a renter comes upon some agreement saying that this is the advance you are asking, this is the advance I can pay, this is the rent you are asking, this is the rent I can pay. If all terms come to an understanding, they get to an agreement saying that this is what you agreed, this is what you are going to pay from now, like that. So that is called as an agreement between the renter and Purple View,
The
not the owner. Owner is nowhere
yes.
involved here. Nowhere, no, don't bother about the property. Okay, because
Yes.
he get paid on monthly basis according to the understanding between the company and
And him or her.
yeah, PVV, company and the owner. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Till now, any questions?
No questions so far from my side.
Okay, I guess Aniket also having no questions. Let's move on. Let us design these entities. If we see here, this entity diagram is this. Okay, this is a
Yes.
ribbon which we are going to use. The ribbon what is here, which is here, is the one which we are going to use.
Okay.
Okay, so click on this, you get an option. Okay, so this option will be available. You can click again and again and again. Okay,
Okay.
and I just click on right click. I'm doing a right click so that it will go. This is there, and I'm going to type a little pop-up when you double click on this, or when you just click on get this, you'll have an option to type. Just type it. Don't click. Don't use your mouse. Don't just type it. I call it as offices. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And next, I'm typing employees.
Yes.
I click and I type employees or managers,
Yes.
and click and type or
Associates.
associates. And these people maintain properties.
Yes.
And these people maintain properties, and it's been owned by owners and being rented by renters,
Yes.
undergoing a lease,
Please. Yeah.
and being inspected by company or employees.
Yes.
Is that the thing what we discussed till now?
Yes.
I am
Yeah.
doing a right click so that that icon goes.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are there here. But
Yes.
this is a conceptual data model. Okay. It
Yes.
would be better to have something. Just I'm showing sample conceptual data model, because in the conceptual data model we are not going to give any information, just high level diagram we show. Okay, so
Yeah.
it is good to have something like this and like this. So where we call this as, let's say, offices, properties,
Yes.
and we say this properties refers to offices. Yes or no?
Yes.
That's all conceptual is. We are not giving what is the primary key, what is the foreign key, and etc.
Yeah.
etc. details. Okay.
Yes.
So that kind of box, is it possible to get here? Yeah. Right click here. You have model options. Sorry, not model options. You have see diagram and display options. You see it?
Yes.
When you right click on the designer, you have diagram and object display options. Click on this. Changing diagram and display options is undoable. Okay, you say entity. Under entity,
Yes.
I just select entity. Just say okay. Got it?
Okay. Yes, I got it.
I repeat, see, right click on the designer, go to
Yes.
display options, You can get this option here, or even you can go to view. Here also you'll get.
Okay.
Either
Okay.
way, same option you are getting into. It says, hey, whatever the options you are doing, it is not able to undo. You cannot go back to previous state. That's fine, not a
Yes.
problem. You'll have by default logical attribute ordering, everything will be there to select. Okay. But
Yes.
and it will be under the diagram basically. Okay, I'm moving to entity because I'm worried about entity. So I
Yes.
say just show me the entity, that's enough. Nothing I'm selecting. Click on OK.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. Next, what is the type of relationship? Don't worry. What is the type of relationship? You don't worry at all. In the
Yes.
conceptual data modeling, don't worry anything during conceptual data modeling. Okay. Okay. Next, sorry, here offices. Okay.
Yeah.
Employees. Employees refers to so-and-so office, correct?
Yes.
So what is the relationship? You don't see. It is just take one type of relationship, one too many, whatever the thing.
Yeah.
This one you take non-identifying optional. Okay.
Yes.
What is this relationship? We'll discuss in detail. Just select this and draw it. How to draw it? Click on this and click on this.
Okay.
Click on this entity. Click on this entity and click on this entity. So this is one-to-many relationship. That's what type of relationship. Identifying optional. What is optional? What is other things? We'll see. Okay.
Yes.
Next. Managers belongs to employees only, right?
Yes.
Associates also belongs to employees, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Properties belongs to officers only, right?
Office.
Because
Yeah.
every property, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let me take the mouse icon. This relationship is not good. Okay, one-to-one relationship I'll take for now. One-to-one. This also I'll take one-to-one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next. Here, properties and owners nowhere related. Okay. Actually,
Yes.
nowhere related means it is related, but in the document it is not mentioned. There
Yeah.
is mentioned that offices and owners are related. Okay.
Yes.
And properties are inspected by
The
employees.
the employees associates.
Properties are inspected by employees. Okay.
Yes.
proper employees inspects properties. Okay, it's not like
Yeah.
directly employee go to a property. It's an inspection
Yeah.
entity available.